We'll be to making a pistachio encrusted chicken. Well, pistachio panko chicken. So you want to get your. I just got some already deshelled pistachios and just got this Kinkomin panko bread, and then I just stirred in the Ninja or Ninja blender. And I just to make the breading. So yeah, there's me putting the panko in with the pistachios, and then you just blend it. I should have did it like a little bit less, so it was a little bit more crunchier, not too of a fine blended, but it still came out pretty good. It almost felt like it wasn't even pistachio once it was done, but I just got a pack of chicken breasts. And then I oiled the pan so they don't stick. I ran out of foil, but yeah. So you want to get your chicken breast. Then you just season it. I got this like allspice seasoning. Something easier. I think it has like red pepper, salt, garlic. Just like the main spices you put. And then you flip them over, get all of it in there. I want to get it all in there. Yeah, I just put it on each side. It was cool. I made this for my mom's birthday. I wanted to try something different because I know they have a pistachio. What is those? Rack of lamb they always make, and we usually make these. What's it called? Chicken katsu. It's just a panko breaded chicken breast, and you use katsu sauce. But I wanted to try panko and pistachios, and then I also did a honey mustard. I glazed it with honey mustard too. Oh yeah, I was looking for a brush. That's what I was doing over there. That was a cake batter thing. So I finally found one. I just got some Kraft honey mustard because I want the sweet of the honey mustard and the salty and nutty part of the pistachio to go with each other. So sweet and salty. That's what I was going for. And I was thinking of like the what's it called? Anyway, I can't think of it. The beef Wellington. There you go. How you mustard the meat. Yeah, so that's what I did with this. I just made sure I got all of it mustard, honey mustard. Yeah, I just want to get it all up on it. Hold on, I wish I had another one, huh? It was so good. Flip it over, get it all in there. I think you can try it with regular mustard, or you can actually just put honey chicken. Yeah, I guess people grill burgers too with mustard. I didn't even know that. It's like pretty interesting. And then you want to get your mixture and put it in. I don't know. I just put it on a plate. I guess you can get a bowl. Look how nice it looks. It looks like sand. It doesn't even look green. Oh, because the panko made it look brown. It's like a thing of sand. Oh yeah, I had to get a knife to get the rest out because it was stuck. Actually, I had a lot of leftover of the breading. I should have just kept it, but I just threw it away. Then you want to just get them and then just get all of it all over it. All pistachio-y. Ba-bam. Ba-bam. Ooh. All pistachio-y. My udon noodle spoon. I just want to slab it. Slab it, slab it. Flip it, flip it. I wonder other kind of... Might try with peanuts or cashews. Maybe a cashew chicken would be good too. I want to try like a do with Doritos or some other kind of chips too. You can do crazy cereal chickens and stuff too. But I just kind of got the idea from just the rack of lamb with pistachio and the chicken katsu, the panko chicken breast. Just kind of wanted a best of both worlds kind of thing. I'm assuming someone's already done this, but there's all kinds of different. There's thousands of different people making dishes all over the world. Yeah, but this is how it came out. It was like super good.